Abby, Angel. Look, Angel. Look, Abby, your birds. Look, this is one of your babies, Abby. See? Your birds are making nests. Making nests everywhere. And having babies everywhere. See, Abby, Angel? See, I got a lot of white ones for you. Whole lot of white ones. These birds right here for my kids. They love them. So I'll never get rid of them. Just put hay in here. Put some bowls up in here. Rest of the bowls today. So all white flights. 95% almost all caps. Couple of plain heads. All white flight caps. Abby, Angel, when you come over here, you're gonna see your birds.